Good morning students. Welcome back to chapter 6, the triangle and its properties. Today we are going to study an important property of right-angled triangle. We have already learned what is a right-angled triangle. A right-angled triangle is a triangle whose one of the angle is 90 degree. In a triangle, if any one of the angle measures 90 degree, it is called a right-angled triangle. Here I have drawn a right-angled triangle ABC. In right-angled triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Now, some terms related with the right-angled triangle. You can see the side AC, which lies opposite to the angle 90 degree, or we can say the side AC is opposite to the right angle and that side is called as the hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? The side of a right angled triangle which is opposite to the angle 90 degree or which is opposite to the right angle, it is called hypotenuse. So the remaining two sides, that is AB and BC, they are called the legs of the right-angled triangle. So in this right-angled triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. So the side AC, that's the hypotenuse, AB and BC, they are the legs of this right-angled triangle ABC. Now we can see the Pythagoras property, which is an important property of right-angled triangles. What is Pythagoras property? In a right-angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the legs. That is called Pythagoras property. See this right-angled triangle ABC, which is the hypotenuse AC. So according to this, what is Pythagoras property? The square of the hypotenuse. Here the hypotenuse is AC. That is, in right-angled triangle ABC, AC square is equal to sum of the squares of the legs. Legs, which are the legs? AB and BC. Sum of the square means AB square plus BC square. So in right-angled triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. And you know, in any triangle, suppose a triangle is given, you are asked to check whether the given triangle is a right angle or not. You can check using this property. You have to see whether the longest side, whichever value is given as the longest side, and that value, the square of that is equal to sum of the squares of the remaining two sides, then we can say that the given triangle is a right angled triangle. Or otherwise we can say that if Pythagoras property, it holds in a triangle, the given triangle is a right angled triangle. You know, that is called as the converse of the Pythagoras property. Now we can solve exercise 6.5 based on this Pythagoras property. Exercise 6.5, first question. Told you I am not going to write the question on the board. You have to open your textbook. It's in page 130. So exercise 6.5. So first question. I'll read out the question. PQR is a triangle right angled at P. I already drawn the triangle PQR. It's given it is right angled at P. That means angle P is equal to 90 degree. So if P is equal to if PQ is equal to 10 centimeter, I mark there PQ 10 centimeter and PR is equal to 24 centimeter. What you have to find is QR. You know that in the diagram PQR as the triangle is right angled at P. QR is the hypotenuse. So we can use which property? Pythagoras property. So in triangle PQR, angle P is the right angle. That is angle P is equal to 90 degree. Therefore QR is the hypotenuse. So using Pythagoras property, we can write QR square is equal to PR square plus PQ square. So which property? Pythagoras property. Pythagoras property. Then that's equal to, what is PR square? 24 square plus 10 square. 24 square means 24 into 24. That is 24 into 24, you know that. Square of 24, 576 plus 10 square, 10 into 10, that is 100. You will get it as 676. And 676 can be written as 26 square. It is the square of 26. Then QR square is equal to 26 square. Therefore, what is QR? QR is equal to 26 centimeter. Isn't it? That's the answer. Now see the second question. See the textbook. ABC is a triangle. I have drawn here ABC. Right angled at C. Right angled at C means the angle C is equal to 90 degree. And if AB is equal to 25 centimeter, AB, as it is opposite to the right angle, AB is the hypotenuse given as 25 centimeter. And AC, one of the legs given as 7 centimeter. Find BC. The other leg you have to find out. So, as C is the right angle, AB is the hypotenuse, I told you. So, using Pythagoras property, we can write AB square, hypotenuse square is equal to AC square plus CB square. Isn't it? AC square plus CB square or BC square. So, BC square plus AC square. Substitute the value. 25 square is equal to BC square plus 7 square. Therefore, we can find out BC square. This one we can find out by taking this 7 square, by shifting the 7 square to the left. That means 25 square minus 7 square. 25 square we know 625. 25 into 25 minus 7 square 49. So that you will get the answer as 576. 576 can be written as 24 square. Therefore, what is BC? BC is equal to 24 centimeter. Is that clear? Now question 3. A 15-meter long ladder reached a window 12 meter high from the ground on placing it against a wall at a distance A. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. We understood the question? There is a ladder which is having a length of 15 meters. So here what I shaded, that is the ladder. The length of the ladder, it is 15 meter. And it reached a window of 12 meter height. So this is the window which is of 12 meter height. And from the ground, on placing it against a wall at a distance of A. That means when you keep the ladder like this. So this is the window and the foot of the ladder is at a distance of, let it be A. I written as A because we have to find out that. So let the distance be A from the surface, from the ground. You have to find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. This is the wall. How much distance the foot of the ladder is there from the wall, that you have to find out. Now, so we can assume, let the foot of the ladder is A meters away from the wall. Let the foot of the ladder is A meters away from the wall. Any alphabet you can use it. So, see that when you keep the ladder like this, we get a right angle triangle, as this is the right angle, that means 90 degree. So, by Pythagoras property, we can use Pythagoras property. As this is right angle, the ladder becomes the hypotenuse. We can write 15 square is equal to a square plus 12 square, which are the legs. Therefore, a square is equal to 15 square minus 12 square. 15 square means 15 into 15, 225 minus 144, isn't it? So, you will get the answer as 81. 81. 81 can be written as 9 square. Therefore, A is equal to 9 meter. Isn't it? Now, what will you write as the final statement then? So, the distance of the foot of the ladder. So, the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall is 9 meter. So, this distance, it is 9 meter. Now, question 4. The question is, which of the following can be the sides of a right triangle? There are 3 questions given in that. First one, 2.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. So, I told you we can use the converse of Pythagoras property. You have to see which is the longest side which is given here. In the first question, it is 6.5 centimeter. First, you will take the square of 6.5 centimeter. Then take the squares of 2.5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Add this. If the answer is equal to 6.5 square, then we can say that the given triangle is a right angle triangle, as it obeys the Pythagoras, as it follows the Pythagoras property. Then, if it is not coming equal, it is not the sides of a right angle triangle. So, in this case, we can see the first one I will show you. Second and third, you have to try by yourself. So, the first one. 2.5, 6.5, 6 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter, then 6.5, 6 centimeter. First step, 6.5 square. What is 6.5 square? So, in that, without considering the decimal, find out the square. That is 65 square. 65 square. So, if the digit ends with 5, or say that in unit place, the sum of the digits, if it is 10, and the tens place, if the digit remains the same, there is an easy way to find out the square that I will tell you. Here it is 65 square, which is unit place 5. 5 plus 5, it is 10, both. So, first you will write 5 5s are 25. The digit in tens place, it is 6, which is the next number after 6, the successive one, that is 7. What is 6 7s are 42. 42, 25. Here, as it is 6.5, how many digits? 2 digits, that is 42.25. This methods I will teach you in the class. So, here we can write 42.25. Now, which are the remaining two? 2.5 square plus 6 square. Here also we can use the same method, 25 square. 25 square. 2, the successive number 3. 2 3s are 6. 5 5s are 25. So, 625. As it is 2.5, it is 6.25 plus 36. That will give you 42.25. 42.25, isn't it? So here we are getting same values. 6.5 square is equal to 2.5 square plus 6 square. Now, thus the Pythagoras property holds, isn't it? So here we can write this. The Pythagoras property holds. So what will you write? Hence the three sides are the sides of a right angled triangle. Hence the given three sides are the sides of a right angled triangle that you will write. Hence the given three sides are the sides of a right angled triangle. In which is the hypotenuse, which is the longest one, that is 6.5 is the hypotenuse, 2.5 centimeter and 6 centimeter, they are the legs of this right angled triangle. I hope it's clear to you. Same way you solve question 2 and 3 of the fourth question. Now we can move on to question 5. Now question 5. A tree is broken at a height of 5 meters from the ground and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meters from the base of the tree. Find the original height of the tree. See the figure that I have drawn here. It will be clear to you. I will explain that. So what is given? A tree is broken at a height of 5 meters from the ground. See, AB, this dotted line I marked here, AB, this is the tree actually. Understood that? So this is the tree, and what is given in the question? At the height of, from the base, at a height of 5 meters from here, the tree, it is broken. So this much part, 5 centimeters will remain there, and the remaining part, it falls to the ground. That's why. How it falls? This is how it falls. I have shown here. Clear to you? So don't get confused. Here also I have written A, here also I have written A. Why? You must have understood. Because this is the total length of the tree. The tip of the tree, that is this A part, it touches the ground as it falls here. So it comes A here. Clear to you? There. And find the original height of the tree. You have to find out the original height, that is this distance you have to find out. Now see, when the top tip of the tree touches the ground, each distance from the broken part, it is AC. That means it looks like, or it forms a right angled triangle in which the AC portion, that's the hypotenuse. Now, which is the broken part then? CA is the broken part. And it touches the ground at the point A, which is at a distance of 12 meters from the base of the tree. The base of the tree, it is B. Now we get triangle CAB as a right angle triangle, of which CA is the hypotenuse. So triangle CAB is a right angled triangle. In which CA is the hypotenuse. So we can use the Pythagoras property. By using Pythagoras property, as CA is the hypotenuse, we can write CA square or AC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That's equal to, what is AB? 12 square plus 5 square. That's equal to 12 square 144, 5 square 25. That's equal to 169. Isn't it? 169 can be written as 13 square. Therefore, AC is equal to 13. AC part we got it as 13. Now, what is the original height of the tree then? Therefore, the original height of the tree is equal to AC part. It is how much we got? 13. That means this much part it is 13. So original height is AB, that is 13 plus 5. 13 plus 5 meter, that's equal to 18 meter. That's the original height of the tree. Is that clear? How this AC? This part is AC. That means the broken part. How much is broken? So AC it is 13 and BC it is 5. Total length is AB. That is AC plus BC. 13 plus 5 will give you 18 meter. Now I am going to solve question 7, not 6. After 5, I am going to solve question 7. See what's the question we can see. Find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter and diagonal it is 41 centimeter. So one rectangle I have drawn there. The length is given 40 centimeter and the length of the diagonal given as 41 centimeter. Now see, when you draw this diagonal, we get a right angled triangle, because you know that in a rectangle all the angles, each angle measures 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. So the triangle PQR, it's a right angled triangle in which PR is the hypotenuse. So we can write, how will you write in your book? PQRS is a rectangle, then PR is the diagonal. Therefore, PQR, triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Then by using Pythagoras property, what will you write? PR square, which is a hypotenuse, is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Substitute the values. What is PR? 41 square is equal to 40 square plus QR square. Therefore, QR square is equal to 41 square minus 40 square. You can find out 41 into 41. That will give you 1681 minus 1600. That's equal to 81, which is equal to 9 square. Therefore, QR is equal to 9. Is that clear? QR is equal to 9 centimeter. As it is given in centimeter, this also centimeter. In this diagram, that is for the rectangle, what is QR? It is the breadth. So we got QR as the breadth as 9 centimeter. So what you are asked to find out? Perimeter of the rectangle. That is breadth of the rectangle 9 centimeter. Length we already know 40 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle, we know the formula. 2 into length plus breadth. Length plus breadth. That's equal to 2 into 40 plus 9 centimeter. That's equal to 2 into 49 centimeter will give you 98 centimeter. So the perimeter of the rectangle, it is 98 centimeter. So final statement you will write, final answer. So perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 98 centimeter. Is that clear? Now question 8. The diagonals of a rhombus measures 16 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Find its perimeter. So here I have drawn one rhombus ABCD. You know, in a rhombus, the opposite sides, they are parallel, and the sides, they are of equal length, but the angles, they are not 90 degree. In a square, you know that square, the opposite sides are parallel and all the sides are of equal length, but each angle measures 90 degree. But in a rhombus, all sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, but the angles are not 90 degree. Another property of the rhombus, the diagonals of a rhombus, they bisect each other at right angles. That means, suppose the diagonals are here AC and BD. So they bisect each other at right angles. That means here this point, the angle made will be 90 degree. So 90 degree. And also they bisect. Bisect means divide equally. So the first diagonal, what's the measurement given? It is 30 centimeter. So AC is 30 centimeter as it bisect. Here 15, here it is 15. Is that clear? The next diagonal, it is 16 centimeter as it bisect. Here 8 centimeter, here also 8 centimeter. I hope it's clear to you. Now, we can take the triangles. Here see, we get one triangle. This is also 90 degree, isn't it? So in triangle, if you take AOB, this angle, it is 90 degree. Therefore, AB is the hypotenuse. So we can find out AB using Pythagoras property. So how do you start writing? AB, that I am not going to write, but you listen to the video and write that in your notebook. ABCD is a rhombus. AC and BD are the diagonals. In a rhombus, the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Therefore, triangle AOB is a right angled triangle. Now, we can use Pythagoras property. Before that, I told you what is OA and OB. OA will be, that also you write, OA is equal to half of AC as they bisect, half into 30 centimeter, that's equal to 15 centimeter as I already written. Same way, OB we can find out, half into BD, that's equal to half into 16 centimeter will give you 8 centimeter. Is that clear? Now triangle AOB, as it is right angle triangle, using Pythagoras property, AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. That's equal to what is OA? 15 square plus 8 square. 15 square is equal to 225 plus 64 will give you 289. Isn't it? 289 can be written as 17 square. 289, it is 17 square. Therefore, what is AB then? Therefore, AB is equal to 17 centimeter. What you are asked to find out? Perimeter of the rhombus. Therefore, perimeter of the rhombus is equal to, I told you in a rhombus, all the sides they are of equal length. So one side it is 17 centimeter. There are 4 sides multiplied by 4. That's equal to 68 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the rhombus. I hope it's clear to you. Now see question 6. Question 6, I'll explain how to do it. You can do it in your notebook then. Listen to that. Angles Q and R of triangle PQR are 25 degree and 65 degree. There is a figure given PQR, one triangle. Two angles are given 25 degree and 65 degree. That is angle Q and R given, angle R given. We can find out angle P by using angle sum property. We know that angle sum property, the sum of the angles in a triangle, it is 180 degree. Using angle sum property, find out which angle P. Then, after getting P, you decide which type of triangle it is. It's a right angle triangle or not. If you get angle P as 90 degree, it's a right angle triangle. Then you can verify which one of the statement is true. There are 3 statements given. Find out the correct statement. That you can do it only after finding out the angle P. Try to do that in your book. That topic, that is chapter 6. The triangles and its properties. We have solved all the 5 exercises. Now what you have to do is, the important points are already I have given it on the board in the video also, but still you can refer page 131 for the important, 131 and 132 for important points. What have we discussed? That you have to copy in your notebook and then learn it. Practice the lessons well in your practice book. Thank you.